We're really excited to give you a chance to take a look at our new engagement center and the men's shelter upstairs. Let's go inside.
Welcome to the new engagement center. Kokomo Rescue Mission is so excited to share this space with you and what's been happening. So this way we have our new dining room space. Our current dining facility is about maybe a third of the space. It only seats about 65 people. And the Kokomo Rescue Mission serves over 300 meals every day. And so this space will now seat 130 for each meal. In addition, we have a family dining room adjoining to the main dining room. This is something that we've heard a lot from our guests. They come in with little kids, and it will be nice for them to have a separate space that's a bit more secure from the rest of the public and that they can feel a bit more safe. So, and off of the family dining room, we've also created a small play area. Lots of our guests come in with kids kind of hanging off one arm or the other, and this just allows them to have a space where the kids can go to access some toys or play tables or things like that, so that our guests can focus on the steps that they're taking to improve life. So through here, back outside the dining room is our main engagement center. And this is where we're really hoping all of the important stuff happens. So Kokomo Rescue Mission shelters about 110 men, women, children every night in our 3 different shelters. And then we have the guests that we serve for mealtimes, and then also our assistance program where we provide emergency groceries, clothing, hygiene products, household essentials to folks in need. And so we'll continue doing all that and are excited about that, but we're really looking forward to kind of taking a step in a direction to really focus on helping these people, not just in poverty, but helping them to take steps out of poverty. So we've got lots of community partners. We've been talking about this has been a cooperative community project from the beginning, from funding this place to all of the partners that are going to access this space to provide services to our clients and to the public here in Kokomo. So this way we have a couple of showers that we're adding. We've heard this is quite the need in Kokomo, is just somewhere where the public can come in and take a shower. So we've got 2 of these available. And then through this way is our laundry facility. And that will have a couple of washer dryers where the public can come in and wash their clothing and linens. And that's available to anyone in the public to come and use. And then this direction is really where our community partners will have really access to. So we've already, for the past year, been working on relationships with mental health providers, medical providers, dental providers, housing assistants, job training services, lots of different organizations. Kokomo is such a giving community, and we have so many nonprofits and social services organizations who really are passionate about helping the community of Kokomo really develop independence and take steps toward a better future. And so that's really what we're hoping happens in this space, that the public who come to the Kokomo Rescue Mission to get meals and to get emergency assistance, that they will have the opportunity without barriers to sit down with a financial consultant who can help them budget with the finances that they do have, or a work training program who can help them develop a resume or access job training skills to be able to get employment that will allow them to live independently and sustainably. So we have multiple offices through here, and then a few small conference and meeting rooms that can be accessed by our community partners. We also have a break room here where volunteers and all community partners can access when they're here throughout the day meeting with clients. Okay, and through this way we have our classroom, which we're really excited about. This space hosts about 45 students who can be in this room. And really our vision for this space is, let's say we have 110 residents here. Maybe one day some of our residents gather in this room and they all have a laptop and they're sitting here with a job training specialist who is helping them literally walk through the resume building process. And then they walk out with a resume that they can use to apply for jobs in the community. So it also is, the classroom can be divided into 2 separate rooms. We've got one large classroom, or there's a temporary wall here that can be placed up that will then have a medium and a small classroom that could be available. And over here we have an exam room. this will be a space that's designed for medical providers, dental, healthcare, even mental health. We'll have an exam table in here and a doctor's stool where some of those services can be provided to our clients in a more private setting. And this way is the staircase and elevator to our second floor, where we have all of our new men's dorm space. And so Troy will take you through there and show you around.
So on this side of the building, on the second floor, this is the dormitories that the men will be living in. On this side of the dormitory as they move into programmatic living. This dormitory will hold 13 sets of bunk beds, so 26 men will be in this room. And this is kind of stage one for program living, where they're still bunked up after they've came in from the old side of the building, which is the intake dormitory over there. New beds, new underbed storage, new lockers, things like that, trying to give them more privacy, more security in their life. One of the things that you'll notice on this hallway, kind of call it the Hall of Doors, along here, every one of these small doors you're seeing is a shower. So we wanted to move away from showers in multiple showers in a large room, to giving them individual showers, to give them individual privacy for each and every one of these showers. So this is a huge extension for them. We've gone from 4 showers for 46 men and 4 showers for another 25 men over on that side of the building, to 16 showers on this side of the building, and expanded it quite a bit. We have some dormitory rooms up here where individuals will be staying with 1 or 2 people in them. These are the individuals who participate in extended service work like janitor services, or we have a resident assistant who is on staff now that will reside up here with these men. We expanded the restrooms and made more stalls. On this side of the building, they'll also have laundry facilities over here. Moving into the second dormitory, for this side of the building, everybody in this room will be on a single bunk. However, planning for the future, hoping to remain at single bunk and the homeless problem doesn't get worse, would be great. But we plan for the future in the idea that all of these can be turned into a set of bunk beds. So we can double the capacity of this room. This room will have 15 men in it. It can be doubled up to 30 if necessary. Each of these men who are moving up a little bit are getting rid of their bunkmate, getting all of this storage for themselves. So these are individuals who are moving into a life of finding employment and getting a little more sustainability in their life. Each floor, or each room on this floor, has its own day room. So as there's a dormitory, there's a room for them to come into. There'll be storage for things like games. They'll have a TV up on the wall to be able to come in and relax and sit down with the furniture in these rooms when they're finished. But we had one day room over there that seats about 8 people that was supposed to service 46 men. So we knew that was something that we needed to change on this side of the building. This is the last day room here, and it is for dormitory number 3, which this entire hallway is dormitory number 3. This room here is for our live-in RA, who is an employee of the rescue mission. The rest of them will be rooms that are semi-private rooms, so 2 men in these rooms. So each one of these rooms has a little bit more storage. These men are in leadership positions, and they will get a little bit more storage, but they've also got to be fully employed, and they will also become mentors to the people coming into the programmatic living at the first stage. So they'll have to pick somebody to mentor, and that will allow them to continue to move up into a little bit nicer room. The remainder of this hallway here just goes down through each and every one of these dorm rooms, and then ends down here with the curtain wall. We have some excess storage up here for different things that we definitely didn't have enough storage on the other side of the building for. So this will give you an opportunity to take a look at one of these showers that we've made for them. Large room, large shower gives them the privacy. So one of the things that they added in between the 2 pieces of the building now is a glass curtain wall. We love this. This gives a great just panoramic view outside for the guys. It can be a nice area. We can put a couple cafe tables here, give them a chance to just sit and enjoy a nice view. And of course, Jesus' message always in the back. First thing that everybody sees is the new blade sign that goes on the new addition here. And the blade sign in and of itself creates one of the 3 crosses to represent the 3 crosses that were on Calvary at the time when Jesus was killed. One of the other things we point out that's an addition to this, it was originally on the current building that we're in, but it predates the current building we're in back to 1998, and it was on the building that was on the opposite corner of Mulberry and Washington back before 1998. And we've had it refurbished and put back up on this building, and it is lit at night as well, so that we can make sure everybody's getting the message of Jesus Christ every night.
Thanks so much for joining us on our tour of the Engagement Center today. Kokomo Rescue Mission is so excited about this project, but it takes a community, and it's been a community effort from the very beginning. And we've had partners already planning to come in and working with us to develop those partnerships. We've had financial donors support to the funding of this building. And we're still looking for community partners. We're looking for volunteers who will want to come in and provide support to our clients. And we also need financial partners. We're about 50% of the way through the funding at this point. And so if you'd like to learn more about how to be a part of what's happening here, we'd love to talk more with you. So you can visit us on our website and let us know.